Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisette, for those of you who don't know me, and you can find me on Instagram and Twitter at lissetbeauty. So for this video, I will be unboxing my June and July BoxyCharm with you guys. So this is a little box that you get along with this little flyer, and inside it tells you what the theme is for the box, a description of all the products there. Let's jump right into the video. Today's video, we're gonna talk about my BoxyCharm June and July box. So I recently subscribed and I started in June, so that's why I'm sharing two boxes for this video. So let's start with the box of June. So for June, the theme was Caribbean Queen. So you get this little brochure and it tells you all the products that you're getting with your box. So let's start off with this gorgeous eyeshadow palette by ALAMAR Cosmetics. Aren't the shades just to die for? Now this eyeshadow palette is super pigmented, I mean, no joke. I created a look using this palette, so I will link it down below so you can go check it out. So next I got this BATTINGTON lashes, and I've used them twice now, so they're right there. And this is the Monroe 3D Silk lashes, pretty nice. Next I got an OFRA Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and it's right here. Oh, look, can you guys see it? Can I see it? And this is in the shade Verona. It's really pretty. I am using this liquid lipstick in my next video after this one. So then I got this eyeliner pencil in the color charcoal, and it's from the brand JONTEBLU. It's right there. It's waterproof, so I didn't like it. It's super drying. See, it's not creamy at all, so no. Next I got this Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. It smells amazing, you guys. You guys see it? It's, you know, it's just like a cream, but it's divine, and it lasts, the smell lasts for a long time, so I really like it. And this is a travel size. Lastly, for the box of June, I also got 3 brushes. They all came in here, and they're from the brand LUXIE. Right there. So the tapered highlighter brush. So LUXIE 522. And then I got a LUXIE 516. It's a duo fiber powder brush. Now this is dirty because I just finished filming a tutorial, and that's why it's like this, and I love it. Next, I got the LUXIE 660 Precision Foundation Brush. It's right there. It's clean because I haven't used it. So for the box of June, we got 3 makeup brushes, a Bum Bum cream, an eyeliner, a liquid lipstick, lashes, and an eyeshadow palette from ALAMAR. Next, I'm starting with the box of July from BoxyCharm, and the theme was road tripping. And again, this is a little brochure that you get with all the products and their description, and also the cost of each one of them. Again, these are full-size products, so that's pretty neat. So let's go over what I got for July. So first off, I got this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Do you see the shades right there? Aren't they pretty? So this is from Crown, and this is the eyeshadow palette in Fuego. I created a look using all of these products for the July box, and I will be uploading my video in 2 days after this one, so stay tuned. The shades are amazing. They look beautiful on the eyes, so I have no complaints about this palette. Next is this Note blush, and this is in Desert Rose. Let me show it to you guys. Okay, so there it is. The color is so pretty. I really love it. I got this Dr. BRANDT No More Baggage, and it's an eye depuffing gel. I do like Dr. BRANDT. I do own a peel gel, so it's to exfoliate your skin. So once you apply it, all your dead skin comes off. It's pretty neat. I recommend that. So this Dr. BRANDT, the consistency, show it to you guys. So it's orange, as you can see there, and you just apply it under your eyes. It's a little sticky, but it's fine. So next, got this CHELLA Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And again, this is from CHELLA. So you get this little brush for your eyebrows right there. You also get this. So here's where the brow gel is at. So then it's all in one, and this is the brush that comes with it. So that's how you use it on your brows. So now, last but not least, for your lashes, this is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And I'm currently wearing this mascara at the moment. I mean, it's nice, I like it. You do have to build your volume for your lashes, so this is good, it's not bad. This is a $21 subscription, and you get 5, sometimes 6 full-size products, so you never know. It's pretty cool. I mean, they're full-size again, so I mean, it's pretty good, right? By the way, this video is not sponsored in any way. I just like to review products. So for next month, I will be doing only 1 month for BoxyCharm, which will be the month of August. So I will be unboxing it with you guys, showing you what I got for the month of August. And I hope stay tuned for my next video, because I will be showcasing July's BoxyCharm box. And the eyeshadow look turned out really, really nice. You don't want to miss that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.